Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Today I'm going to show you a one bedroom at the Boardwalk Villa. I kind of love this place. It's my new favorite. Well, the Boardwalk's always been a favorite. I love being able to walk to Epcot and Hollywood Studios. I do have another video of a little stroll, so I will link that above and below. And let me go show you this room. It's really pretty sweet. We have a standard one bedroom view, so that means no pool or boardwalk view, but I really like the standard view. Here's what we can see outside of our ginormous patio. So outside our patio, there's the entrance to the Boardwalk Inn and the Boardwalk Villas. The Boardwalk Villas are on one side and the Inn is on the other side. And this is our patio. We have already moved in, so don't mind our things being everywhere. But we're going to walk in through here, and here we have the one bedroom. Don't mind the clinking noise. We have a washer and dryer, which I will show you, and of course we already started laundry. But this bed will pull out to a sleep sofa. On the side here, there's a spot to charge your phone, as my daughter already has her phone charging. We've got a coffee table with the One Day at Disney book, which I thoroughly enjoy. Lots of storage, an extra blanket on the chair. That door will go to another room. Of course, we have the TV on, knowing what's going on today. I thoroughly enjoy this kitchen. I love the fact that we have a little, two little chairs here, great spot for breakfast. So let's go take a look at the kitchen. It is a full-sized kitchen with plenty of things to do. Dishwasher, sink, coffee maker, which will be key in the morning. Plates, bowls, strainers, all the little things you could possibly need to be comfortable. We did bring our own little snacks, wine glasses, coffee mugs, toaster oven, and they did leave us with a little coffee if we so wish. Microwave. That's what's up above the microwave. Yep, there's a pot, so if you want to make mac and cheese for the kids, you can. Plenty of plates and bowls for everyone. What I love about any of the villas, the DVC resorts, it is like being home. It's a rental house. Lots of real silverware. They give you paper towels, little pot holder, pitcher, full freezer, full fridge. And then over here you'll see a little table with our custom droid already made. Perfect spot for reading. In here is where we entered from. This is our main door. And we have full closet, a vacuum if we wanted to clean. But I suppose if you have some messy family members, that would be great. There is I'll pull it out so you can see it a little better. Like a restaurant style high chair. And a Swiffer broom, so, you know, those messy kids if you want to clean up after them. Full mirror with lots of hooks, so if you need to hang towels and such, you can totally do that. So like I said, I'm sorry for the noise. We do have a full washer and dryer. Already started some laundry. But nice, we can close that. And in here, it's like a split bathroom. It is a beautiful shower. They do give you some, like one serving size, if you will, of shampoo, conditioner, and soap. So we brought our own. A nice counter to store all of your things. And then in here, so you can see, there's lots of doors. if you want to close this door and then close this door, you can shower, get ready. But then if someone else needs to dry their hair or brush their teeth, you have this space. So we'll close that door. And then in here, how amazing is this? So you have another full ginormous closet. So we've stored our luggage in there already, getting that out of the way. We love the space that this one bedroom gives us. In here, there is a little garbage can. Nothing in there. If you want to store your things, you're welcome to. Hair dryer. And once again, another little serving size of the soaps. They did have some towels, but we've already moved them into the bathroom. This is like nice jacuzzi sized tub. And then, so I'll give you a backup view. So here we go. The bathroom I was just showing you that goes into the other split bath and into what is the master bedroom. King bed. This room only sleeps four for the size that it is. There's the other half of the balcony I was showing you. TV with the Celtics and the Lakers on. And on the side of the bed here, we have a USB place to charge your phone, 2 plugs for the other things you may need. And on this side of the bed, so both sides of the bed have USB and charging outlets, which is super nice. So let me know what you think of the one bedroom. I will add at the end of the video some tours of the pool and the boardwalk area. I absolutely love this area. I have also stayed at the Beach and Yacht Club, which I love their pool, but I think the vibe over here is so nice. So I highly recommend staying over at the boardwalk for any time of the year. It's a very popular spot to stay during the festivals like Food and Wine, Flower and Garden, because you can walk to Epcot. It is so super close. Let me know if you guys would like to stay here too. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate all the likes, the subscribes, and I'll see you guys next time. So we are finishing up our very short stay here at the Boardwalk. Well, it felt short. They're never long enough. We absolutely loved this location. We loved the room, and the pool area was awesome. It was never super crowded. It's a little chilly this morning, which is why you're seeing it so empty, but it's great. The food and the bar here was awesome. And honestly, nothing beats walking to Epcot. So thank you so much for watching the Boardwalk video, and I hope you like it. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I love this resort. So see you guys next time.